Hello everyone. I'm back again with the second episode of Vidya Mandir podcast. My today's topic of discussion is generic medicine. And to discuss over it, I have with me Miss Meenu Jangra, who has got her expertise in pharmacology, and she is a senior faculty at Vidya Mandir Public School. I welcome you on my show, ma'am.
Thank you, Sakshi ma'am, for having me here, for inviting me on the podcast.
The pleasure is lady ours, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Since we are here to discuss about generic medicine, तो अगर मैं अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए आपको बोलूं कि आप एक सिंपल सी भाषा में बताइए जेनरिक मेडिसिन्स होती क्या हैं?
We have two type of medicines available in the market. One is branded medicine, also called as innovator medicine or proprietary medicine, which are expensive. And other one is generic medicine. Generic medicines are available at much lower price than the branded medicine. But there is a thing to mention here that generic medicine have same active ingredient, same efficacy and same pharmacokinetics.
Okay.
It also complies with the same safety standards as that of a branded medicine.
Okay.
I want to give here an example. Cancer के लिए we use a drug cisplatin that is used for ovarian cancer.
Okay.
The rate of this generic medicine is 300, whereas the same salt is sold by a pharmaceutical company at 3900.
At 30,
3900.
difference of 3600.
Yes, but the same active ingredient is present in generic as well as in the branded medicine.
Okay. मैम क्या रीज़न है क्यों मैं कहूँ कि ब्रांडेड मेडिसिन्स इतनी महंगी हैं?
You know, Sakshi, when there is any disease in the market which is affecting the human population, so thousands of molecules are screened to find that one optimized compound.
Okay.
In doing that research, we do a lot of testing on animals, on human being in the preclinical and clinical testing. So when it is passing through the standards of clinical and preclinical testing, then it is sent to FDA for approval.
FDA.
Yes, that is
Okay.
Food and Drug Administration Agency,
Okay.
which give its approval after reviewing the complete process, after all the quality standards. Then the pharma company who has invented this, that applies for the patent, and once the patent is granted to the pharmaceutical company for 20 years, then the lot of money, the huge amount of money that has been invested on the research and development, the pharmaceutical company wants to get back the invested money.
Yes, true.
This complete process that will take 10 years in finding that one active ingredient, and approximately $2 billion are invested in the complete process.
To make one medicine.
Yes.
Okay.
So the pharmaceutical company, after getting the patent for 20 years, will sell the product in the form of medicine at its own decided price.
The prices किसी और से decide नहीं हुआ मतलब खुद ही decide कर लिया.
Yes, and there is no
Okay.
competition in the market for the same drug.
Okay.
So that company is the only one
Yeah.
who is playing the role in the industry. So it has its own price, and the consumers, they have to pay for it.
Okay. मैम easily available है generic,
Yes.
सस्ती भी है generic.
Yes.
तो डॉक्टर्स क्यों नहीं recommend करते? Why the doctors are not recommending it?
Here is the role of pharmaceutical company. Doctors are being paid huge commission. Approx 30 to 35% commission is given to the doctors on prescribing that branded medicine.
Okay.
They are offered foreign trips also.
Really?
Yes, their families are also taking advantage of all these things. So the pharmaceutical company also are giving commission to the medical store. I'm not talking about all the doctors. There are some honest doctors also, but 1 out of 10 if is recommending the generic medicine, then it will be really difficult to find that generic medicine on the nearby medical store, because the medical stores are also involved in it, in getting the commission from pharmaceutical company. So the consumer is finding it very difficult to get the generic medicine.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, if I talk about medical stores, is there any specific medical stores जहाँ पे हमें generic medicine मिलेगी बस?
Yes. In 2016, our Indian government has launched a scheme by the name Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana.
Okay.
This Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana has the vision of providing generic medicine at affordable price to all the citizens of India. And all across the India, we have more than 15,000 such type of generic medicine stores, Jan Aushadhi stores. And in these stores, around 2,000 medicines and 300 medical devices are available. Sakshi, female are using sanitary napkins every
Yes.
month. You know what is the cost at these generic stores?
No.
ये मात्र 1 रुपए में एक सैनिटरी पैड अवेलेबल है इन जन औषधि स्टोर्स में. अगर हम दूसरे ब्रांडेड सैनिटरी पैड्स की बात करें तो 13 रुपीज़ से कम में आपको कोई भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं मिलेगा. सो गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन ऑफ द फीमेल गर्ल फॉर दैट.
Ma'am, that means government is also working hard.
Yes, government has released directives to all the doctors to prescribe these generic medicine to the patients.
Yes.
MCI ने भी बहुत बार ये डायरेक्टिव रिलीज की है डॉक्टर्स के लिए कि आप जेनरिक मेडिसिन को प्रिस्क्राइब करो, बट वो नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे ऑल आर इन्वॉल्व इन इट. फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी ने पूरे सिस्टम को इस तरह से हाईजैक कर लिया है कि वो इस तरह की डायरेक्टिव्स को पूरी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं होने दे रही है. गवर्नमेंट ने एक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन भी यहाँ पे लॉन्च की है. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल द व्यूअर्स हेयर, द नेम ऑफ मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन इज जन औषधि सुगम मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन.
Ma'am, I want you to please repeat that. Jan Aushadhi Sugam.
Yes. This mobile application you can download on iPhone as well as on Android devices. And after logging in the account, there is complete list of medicine which you can easily find on the app. For example, if you want to search for any generic drug, any generic medicine, so just type the name in the search box and complete list of generic medicine will be available where you can compare the price with the branded medicine also.
Okay.
And nearby your address, all the Jan Aushadhi centers which are available nearby your address, you can also locate them through the Google map.
Okay.
Yes.
मैम, जैसे सपोज मैं कभी डॉक्टर के पास गई, उन्होंने मुझे कुछ दवाइयाँ कुछ भी जैसे लिख के दी. सपोज इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट, उन्होंने मुझे पैरासीटामोल लिख के दी, वो सब मेरे को वो ब्रांडेड मेडिसिन दिया. तो हियर द रोल ऑफ पेशेंट स्टार्ट्स. कैन द पेशेंट आस्क द डॉक्टर टू राइट द जेनरिक मेडिसिन ऑन द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन?
Yes, this is all about awareness.
This is all about awareness.
Yes. If the patient is aware of the thing that there are generic medicines also available with the same salt, he can ask the doctor to please write the name of active ingredient which is available for the cure, which is available for the treatment.
Okay.
For example, Dolo 650 में जो active ingredient है that is acetaminophen, also called as paracetamol. It has the action to relieve against pain, to relieve the fever. So if the consumer is aware of the thing, so he can ask the doctor to write the name of active ingredient which he can search on these stores also.
मतलब हमें उनको बोलना है कि आप एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट लिखिए ताकि हम उसको ऐप में सर्च कर सकें, राइट?
Many of the doctors, they don't write the name of medicine in a good handwriting. You must have noticed many times.
Always, मैम. कभी भी नहीं समझ में आता उन्होंने क्या लिखा है.
गवर्नमेंट ने, MCI ने इसके लिए भी लॉन्च किया था, इसके लिए भी डायरेक्टिव रिलीज की थी कि आप या तो टाइप्ड मेडिसिन आप प्रिस्क्राइब करिए और यूज अ गुड हैंड राइटिंग so that the patient can understand, because that handwriting that can only be understood by the medical store person.
True, ma'am. ये तो सही बात है.
A common one cannot understand the handwriting of the doctor. See?
वो कहते नहीं कि राइटिंग तुम्हारी बिल्कुल डॉक्टर जैसी हो गई है, अपनी राइटिंग ठीक करो. लाइक एज अ टीचर हम ये बात बोलते भी हैं बच्चों को, मैम.
Yes.
मैम अब मुझे समझ में आया, ये एक नेक्सस है इसका मतलब.
कंप्लीट नेक्सस है.
Okay. Ma'am, if you have to give one advice to our viewers, as if like कभी ना कभी हम भी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, सभी जाते हैं, तो हम डॉक्टर को मतलब उनको कैसे जाके कन्विंस करें that they are able to write that active ingredient?
See, if the patient is aware of the thing, aware of the concept of generic medicine, then yes, he can ask the doctor present at private clinic to please write the chemical composition of the medicine.
Chemical composition of the medicine.
Yes. In this way, he can find himself whether the active ingredient is available on the generic stores or not. Secondly, in all the government hospitals, MCI has recommended all the government hospital doctors to write only generic medicines. So these generic medicines are available in the government hospital, but you cannot find the generic medicine at the private medical stores because they generally don't keep these generic medicine.
No, obviously they are at very lower price.
Yes.
Na?
Doctors have to complete their target also, their revenue target also. Many of the patients who do not need any surgery, doctors are doing this elective surgery for them. So
Elective
always
surgery.
yes, elective surgery का मतलब ये है कि जहाँ पर जिस डिजीज़ के लिए सर्जरी मैंडेटरी नहीं है, अपने रेवेन्यू को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, अपने टारगेट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए उनको वो सर्जरी करनी पड़ती है. एंड देयर आर सम केसेस ऑल्सो जिसमें डॉक्टर्स को निकाला भी गया है ऐसे मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल से, बिकॉज दे कुडंट कन्वर्ट द पेशेंट फॉर दिस सर्जरी. उनका कन्वर्जन रेट 10% से भी कम था, तो ऐसे डॉक्टर्स को हॉस्पिटल से निकाला भी गया है.
No matter how qualified and like they are, मतलब ये चीज़ नहीं मैटर करती.
Yes, complete system is not corrupted. There are some good doctors also who want to serve the patient, because इंडिया में बाहर की कंट्रीज में भी हम डॉक्टर को भगवान का रूप मानते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
This is all about the faith of the patient on the doctor. Why a patient is purchasing that expensive drug? उसके पीछे का लॉजिक क्या है? It is the trust of the patient on the doctor. जब आप डॉक्टर पे पूरा ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट करते हो कि हाँ उसने जो भी मेडिसिन आपको प्रिस्क्राइब की है, this is the only medicine who can cure your family member.
Yeah, true, ma'am.
Right? So you yourself will, whether it is being afforded by that person or not, but वो पूरे बिलीफ से उस मेडिसिन को वो परचेज करेगा ही करेगा किसी ना किसी तरह से. You know, barely 20% of our population that can afford the expenses of medical illness.
That's true, and this calls me at the end of this podcast. और मैं ये सच्ची मतलब आज का जो डिस्कशन था जेनरिक मेडिसिन के ऊपर, मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज़ें नहीं पता थी, इंक्लूडिंग मी. हमें जेनरिक मेडिसिन नहीं पता थी कि इतने कम रेट्स में अवेलेबल है, और अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे तो अगर हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करें कि आप केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन उसकी लिख दीजिए तो शायद वो लिख दें. बट थैंक यू मीनू मैम फॉर शेयरिंग सच ब्यूटिफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन विद अस.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, my viewers.